Blosetown Creamery's Gnar Shredder. It's been a while since the last Blosetown Creamery review. He is very small batch ice cream right out of his home in Denver that he mostly sells locally. I happened to be in Denver a few months back on a ski trip, so you better believe I flew back with a pack of pints. Unfortunately, we're down to the last one, but hopefully we can get another pack in the near future. This is your seatbelt fastened? Salted chocolate ice cream with fudgy blackout pretzel brownies, chocolate bits, and a peanut butter ripple. It's a salted chocolate base that initially, like the first spoonful or two, sort of reminds me of a Wendy's chocolate frosting. Now hold your horses right there. It's obviously much better than that. Although it does temper a little quicker than Blosetown's usual. However, it's still very much a premium ice cream. The flavor is pretty darn salty and almost like a malted chocolate taste. You can even see the chocolate is a little lighter in color, but it's not that rich. All of that to say what you probably already know. It's a classic chocolate that is heavy on the salt. You know how you pick up that freshly baked brownie right from the pan and it just falls apart gooey? That's exactly how these brownies are. Extremely soft, that it could almost act as a thick swirl, and fudgy blackout describes them perfectly. It's a darker chocolate, but it's insanely rich. And you don't get a true fudge flavor, but the fudgy portion does add a lot of sweetness. One downfall to the brownies though are those pretzels. You and I both knew they wouldn't stand a chance in terms of flavor against all that chocolate. However, they do add a nice crispy crunch to the very chewy brownies. Coming in hot with a sweeter milk chocolate flavor are the chocolate bits. Now, when I read bits, I just assumed chocolate chips or chocolate flakes, but these are like chocolate truffles in the shape of cubes that literally just melt away in your mouth. And in walks this dense, thick, slow to melt, tempers beautifully peanut butter swirl to ruin the chocolate party, but it is very much welcome. And just like I'm scooping it straight from the jar, authentic peanut butter flavor that is just as salty, if not saltier, than the base. The only thing holding this back is not truly being able to taste the pretzels within those brownies. Other than that, you have three great tasting but different tasting chocolates and one heck of a peanut butter ripple. And who doesn't enjoy the combination of peanut butter and chocolate? 9.5 out of 10.